Thanks for joining us, guys. We're going to take you on part of our morning chores, taking the goats to the back pasture with no cuts, just one continuous, beautiful video, and we'll share what we get to see every morning with you.
They're sweet. He's let me better than now.
But when I cut
Yeah, maybe he was expecting you to have sunflower seeds, and he was like, why don't you have a tree?
now don't play. Should I have a treat?
Either one.
Mom, watch. I'm like a goat. Watch this. I'm like a goat. Instead of pouring down it or putting poop on the pastel, if you wanted to kill it, you could just put a bunch of salt.
Salt would kill the pasture.
Still track.
You gotta go under.
That was easy.
That was creepy.
Mama. That was thrilling. Mom made a real sound. Mom.
Yeah, babe.
I have not got that close to 50. Wrong way. I have. Go, Susie. Go, Susie. See, go with your mom. Now how do I jump?
You can go under it.
Let's get the power.
Hey, go. Hey, go. Hey, go. There you go, baby.
Your treat is all of this, goat.
That's right.
Yeah.
She just peeing. Everybody pees. Everybody poops.
Except bears pee.
Bears do pee. What did you say? Sweetie's right there. On the other side of Monica. Grace is, I think, doing her chores.
Mom, when I cut
Oh, you're so big.
that's my tractor.
Is that your tractor?
Monica. Mama. Mom.
Yeah.
Mom. Monica is a wonderful name because she's a mom and she has babies.
So Monica's a beautiful name because of that?
Or Mama.
Monica.
That's Mother.
There's Monica. You want to show her your tractor?
Yeah.
You think she likes tractors? All right, go show it to her. It's hard
You
to
like
walk
bringing the
with.
goats out every morning?
Yeah, it's kind of my favorite.
Mom, watch, I'm gonna kill this flower.
Let's keep it. Let's not destroy just to destroy. I know that's fun when you're a kid, but these are our beautiful flowers. Let's just leave them beautiful.
I say even beautiful flower. I say even beautiful flower.
Oh, I really like that. Oops, I do like that.
Is it even beautiful? Mom, do not look.
I don't know. How can you say which flower is more beautiful than another? It's a little bit hard. I do have some favorites though.
Mom, can I show you a flower even beautiful?
Uh-huh. Thank you. You know what that is?
No.
Clover flower. And you know what else? You have a big old booger right there. Hey, let's go, buddy. Can you come down the hill? I did just tell you to show Monica your tractor. Hey, she saw it. You ready? I'll hold your hand.
Mom.
Okay, I'll hold you. Is this hill a little bit tricky?
Yeah.
It is a big hill.
Mom, here.
Oh, can you hold it for me till I get to the bottom of this hill? It's very slippery.
Yeah, and I have to add one more kind.
I wouldn't be surprised if I fell. Don't fall, Mommy.
So far, Mommy.
You okay, Alice?
Yeah, Mom. Moo, okay, Alice? Oh, moo. Okay,
Are moo
Alice?
okay?
It says moo.
There you go.
Okay.
Flat ground.
Are you okay, Alice? Are you? Are you cow okay? Cow okay. Cow okay.
Are moo a cow? Come here, Bubba.
Moo okay.
Come on, Bubby.
Mom, watch. Watch what I can do with my shoe.
It's a posy.
It won't last. Come here, Mama. Long.
That's okay.
This won't last for very long.
Why not?
Let's look at the really short. Good, super duper short.
I wish I had a hay string out here.
No. No. No, I don't. No. I think all the kinds of flowers on the wall would fill up more than this whole fence. Right?
Oh, yes. Easily.
Goes like thousands, billions of them. Right?
Yeah. Probably more than billions.
There's also kinds of flowers and bugs, kinds of plant-based bugs.
Yeah.
Like snake bugs. Or like that thing Daddy. That's our Mama. There's a whirlpool. And look at this whirlpool.
Where is it?
Actually, there's like two of them.
Is it going under the ground right
This
there?
one and this one.
Is the water going under the ground right there? Really? Whoa, Arthur! The water goes under the ground right here.
I know.
And it goes into a metal thing.
A metal tank.
I mean, a metal thing.
No, it goes out down here. Nothing. Go around this way. You'll always need to remember to give the cow a wide space around her, okay?
I know. That's why I did it. Come on. She doesn't go. Mom, so she doesn't go. Right, Mom?
Yeah.
Because the cow can't kick you with my leg. Can I?
I'm
Can I,
acquainting
Dad?
myself with her body.
I don't want to be ticked.
Okay, because the post on the hill.
Let's go.
Mama.
I'm just looking at her nether regions and her pins. I just want to get it in my memory what she looks like so that in a couple weeks when we're looking for her to calve, I'll know what she looked like before she calved. Can you say hold me please or hold my hand?
This pasture looks good.
It's amazing, it's so lush.
This is our first rotation from this time around.
I don't remember our pasture ever looking this lush, do you?
Oh.
I don't know. This
Oh,
is better than last year.
Poop doggy.
Yeah.
Look at the little cow cake.
Uh-oh, the geese are getting out.
Wow, this is a cow cake. Did you love it more than me? I'll say no. I'll say no, God, you didn't love it more than me.
I think you should go ahead and put her on this and mow all that.
With more. You love the whole family more. My cow.
What's your cow?
My cow. That's bad. Why do you love your whole family more than anything, right?
Matt?
Do you?
Raincoat?
That's bad.
I don't know.
That's bad.
I don't know. Can you say it again?
That's home.
Oh yeah, it used to be. That used to be the pig's home. Smart boy. Hey, y'all heard the geese back then?
No, I don't like geese. I'm afraid of them.
Okay, well come this way.
Hey,
Hey, come this way and we'll herd them back up through there. Whew. You want to be held a lot today. I hope you enjoyed that sweet little glimpse into our morning. We'll see you tomorrow.